and Kim, Episode 1, A Perfect Tree. Bud lived in a perfect tree. I love my tree, she said. It is in a nice quiet park and I can see the ocean. One day, Bert was sleeping. Boom, bonk. What made that sound? Asked Bert. Bert looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bert went back to sleep. Boom, bonk. Ouch, said Bert. Bert looked up again, but she still didn't see anything. Bert went back to sleep again. Crash, bonk, boom. Acorns, cried Bert. Where did this come from? Bert looked up and saw a chipmunk. Sorry, said the chipmunk. Oh, that's okay, said Bert. What are you doing with all these acorns? I'm moving in, said the chipmunk. You're moving in? Asked Bert. Yes, said the chipmunk. I'm moving into this home. My name is Kip. I'm your new neighbor.